Ito kasi yung na-report. Pero walang ibang incident na nangyari sa mga DepEd schools bago yung Tacloban?
Mayroon po yung pong sa Cavite rin po, Cavite City, pero stabbing din po siya sa labas ng school. Pero ito po mga nasa 18 years old na po yung involved, kaya po ano na
Hindi,
siya.
ang tinatanong ko nga, before Tacloban, there was no incident inside campus, whether it was a knife, any weapon used, na recorded sa DepEd or reported sa DepEd.
Wala po, yung lang pong private school lang po, yung sa Bicol.
So, ito yung kauna-unahang na report na nakuha ng DepEd, yung Tacloban incident pa. Before that, walang na-report sa inyo kahit na anything happening in any campus.
Well, outside campus po.
Hindi, in campus muna kasi ito
wala
yung
po.
Wala. What do you attribute that to? Ibig sabihin, talagang out of the blues lang ito? Walang nangyari before that sa mga schools? That is the stand of the Department of Education right now. Zero before the Tacloban incident. Any incident in the campus, zero.
Well, yes po. Maliban po dun sa public school po, ay sa private school po sa
DepEd school lang.
wala
So
po.
before the Tacloban incident, zero incidents
Inside the school po.
inside
Yes
the
po.
school.
Marami pong report outside na po ng school po.
Oh, pero sa loob wala. Yes, Honorable Fresnedi.
Mr. Chair, in Muntinlupa, during the, I was advised by Mayor Biason last week that during the Regional Peace and Order Council meeting, there was an intelligence report regarding one high school in Muntinlupa that is supposed to conduct this violence inside in the school, Mr. Chair, and it was prevented because of the intelligence report. That was before this incident in Tacloban, Mr. Chair.
Baka mali lang yung tanong ko. Ilang incidents na ang napigilan niyo bago yung Tacloban?
Well, bago Tacloban po,
Walang report.
wala
Mr.
pong
Chair.
That is why,
Yeah.
isa sa gagawin ng DepEd ngayon, para maliwanag tayo isa sa gagawin ng DepEd ngayon ay yung reporting mechanism.
Yes, po.
Kailangan, sorry. Para maliwanag tayo, that is why moving forward, the DepEd under Sec Sani has decided na institutionalize ninyo ang reporting requirements para katulad ng incident na binabanggit na nangyari sa Muntinlupa na natigil bago may mangyari ay this will now be a nationwide campaign.
Yes po.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, Honorable
Yes,
Legaspi.
I just wanted to point out, I don't know if the information that the DepEd has is incomplete, but based on the research that our office did, which is available online, and I hope the PNP can help help clarify the reportings on these matters. But here in NCR, there was already a reported attempted school shooting in October, as early as October 2025, where a student reportedly brought his father's licensed firearm to school, pointed it to himself and discharged the firearm, and he later died in the hospital. So this was in October 2025, and
Pero na yun, Honorable Legaspi, natigil yun.
well, the student died from the misfiring, from accidentally firing his firearm.
So nadala niya inside
Nadala niya inside the school. And then there was another one in February 2026 in Batangas naman, tsaka in Calabarzon. Also, student brought a 45 caliber handgun and fired twice in the classroom. So this was in February 2026, and we got this online from online sources, online news reports.
Yes.
So, Mr. Chair, I hope if the PNP has information on that as well, and it shows a pattern that was already existing before the previous
Yes.
week's incidents. So, maybe that was glossed over, or I don't know if there was an immediate response to those incidents. Ano lang, Mr. Chair, for the record lang.
Yes, Honorable Legaspi, you were able to get this information by just going online?
Yes, our office did some preliminary research on previous
Yes.
incidents,
Oo.
and on our footnotes there are online
Yes.
news reports on
Thank
the
you.
matter.
Oo. Before we go back to DepEd, may I also acknowledge the presence of the lady from the 5th District of Bulacan, the Honorable Agatha Paula Aguilar Cruz. Welcome, ma'am. Yes, Asik Roger, may dalawa ng incident in campus pero ang DepEd did not know anything about it. Kasi sabi mo kanina, 0 reports kayo eh.
Sorry, Mr. I like to clarify that I was in the impression that the question is this is school year lang po prior to
Yung isa, this school year yon 2026.
February po. So
Yes, okay. Any academic calendar before the Tacloban incident, may incident na ba inside the campus?
marami pong reported na po na mga incident po na
Yes, knowing na marami na yon, especially the last two, yung Feb 2026 sa Calabarzon, Batangas pala, and yung isa sa NCR last year, did that not alert the DepEd na teka, may nangyayari na? Bakit hindi nagkaroon ng movement or nagkaroon ba?
Yes po, kaya nga po nung February po nag-issue po tayo nung policy yung SMLE, yung ensuring safe and motivating environment po. Doon po dinefine yung mga safety protocols po, Mr. Chair.
Despite that, may nangyaring Tacloban incident.
Yes po.
So saan nagkulang? No, nakuha niyo po. Pasensya na po, ano? Because maganda yung plano niyo ngayon, moving forward. May reporting mechanism na kayong gagawin. Pero, apparently, meron na palang incidents dati pa na nangyayaring ganito. And yung before this na, at least nalaman namin, baka ang PNP would have more pa, or the LGUs, ay February lang of this year. And then March, last year din, may nangyari naman sa saan ba yung last year? Sa Metro Manila. NCR. And then ang inisyu nyo lang, anong Feb or March, is a safety protocol, which apparently either is ineffective or hindi nyo na disseminate sa maraming tao. Hindi alam ng iba.
Well, nag-orient po kami, Mr. Chair, sa mga school heads po natin tungkol sa bagong policy. Standard procedure naman po sa DepEd kapag nag-issue ng policy, nagkakaroon po ng orientation.
Yes. So parang very pero yung sagot kasi pasensya na, pero di kahon eh. 'Di ba? So I think ang gusto lang naman ng committee moving forward, kasi ang dami yung sinabi na gagawin. Ano yung assurance kayo ng committee na ito na ginagawa niyo ang lahat at hindi lang para compliance, nasisiguraduhin niyo na hindi na mauulit or at least mabigyan ng support yung ating mga campuses?